What do we have over here? Nestling for many years somewhere in Wicklow, Ireland. Volvo 240 Stationwagon. As you can see, it's been here for a while. Our main job is to see, well, the question is, will it start? Stay tuned to find out. So as you can see, I've opened the bonnet without getting spiked too much. Now let's see if we can get into the car. I put a battery in. It doesn't fit very well, but let's see if we can get into the car now. It's full over bamboo. Right. Conveniently, the keys are in here. I found that out beforehand. All the lights are on. Check it out of gear. Obviously, nice stick shift for you Americans. No smoke. Seats are absolutely mint. Right, turn her over and see what happens. How many turns did that take? 3 or 4 turns? She's up and running. She's not charging, but we'll give her a chance. The fuel's about 7 years old. She selects gear, the clutch is working. It's always best to exercise the clutch a bit when you test for a bit of brake pedal as well, pressure. Brake is off. Well, drive's working. Brakes aren't that seized. Our bidney's in the way, I better move that. So, you might not be able to rely on a brand new Jaguar I-Pace or Jaguar brand new Land Rover. You can rely on an old early 90s Volvo 240. Keep going. Keep on trucking.